The diagram shows the floor plan, and it's spelled floor, plan of a storage facility. All dimensions are in feet. What is the area of the storage facility in square feet? Okay, so this tells you specifically that area is length times width. So we're going to take those two numbers in parentheses and we're going to multiply them. Now this becomes what we did on numbers 1 and 2. So we're going to take the first term, or the first binomial, and split it. And then we're going to rewrite the second one twice. So now we're going to say this times this is 8x squared. You multiply these two, we get 20x. These two gives you negative 6x. And when you multiply those two, you get negative 15x. These two have the same x term. So this is plus 14x minus 15. And there's your answer. That is the area in square feet. So again, split the first two terms, rewrite the second one twice, multiply, distribute out, combine terms that you can combine, and then that's your final answer. Alright, so this one is going to be very similar to the question on your test. You're having to find where Bob made his mistake. These are the kinds of questions that they like on your EOC test. They like to give you a problem worked out and they say, figure out what they did wrong. Okay, so let's look. First thing you should do is you should multiply these two out. So 2 times negative 15 is 30, negative, and your middle term is 1. Okay, so if you put it in your calculator, so we should have 30, negative 30 divided by x. Okay, we're going to go to second graph, and we're looking in red where we see a positive 1. So in red, positive 1 is right here. So my numbers are negative 5 and 6. Okay, what I need you to understand now is that these two numbers could be written in either direction. I could have put the 5 here, or I could have put the, I could have put the 6 here, or I can put it here. Same thing here. I can put the negative 5 here or here. Question is did they put the right signs on here? This is a positive 6. This is a negative 5. So this step is correct. Now, your next step. Did they factor out the same things properly? So, we're looking here. This is a plus sign. Do they both have a 2x in common? Yes. Well, when I factor that out, does that give me x and 3? Well, 2 divided by 2 is x. 3 divided by 2 is 3. So yes, that part is correct. Now, here's your next part. They both have a 5 in common, but here's your question. Is it a positive 5 that you're pulling out? Remember, if the first one is negative, you have to pull out a negative. So this should have actually been a negative 5 that they pulled out instead of a regular 5. So now that's where they messed up. There is your error. So since you know they messed up there, you can stop there, and that's the error that they made.